Hello friends, in today's session we will try to understand new instructions of 8085 microprocessor, and they are LDAX and STAX instruction, that is load indirect and store indirect. And for that we will also use an instruction that is LXI, load indirect in a immediate mode. Fine. I will explain you all this instruction with the example so that you can get a clear understanding about it. Fine. Okay, let's begin. The main purpose is that I want to access content from memory location 2050H and 2051H, and I will do addition between these two numbers and will store a final answer at memory location 2052H. Fine. As far as LDA instruction and ST instruction were concerned, we were writing LDA 2050H, but instead of that we can use that is LDAX and STAX instruction as well. And let's get an understanding about it with this example. The first line is that is LXI B, 2050H. Actually 2050 is a starting location of the memory location from where you want to access the data. Fine. So whenever you are writing this, that is LXI B, 2050H, at that time this content, that is 2050, will be stored in memory location B and C. I am not seeing the content available at memory location 2050H. I am saying 20 and 50 will store at memory location B and C, where 50 will go with C register and 20 will go with B register. Fine. Next line is that is LDAXB, load accumulator indirect. As far as LDA instruction was concerned, we were writing memory location from where you want to access the data. Here I am writing LDAX and a register who is having the content of that memory location. Right now B is having the content of that memory location 2050. It means what? Here the content will be fetched from the memory location provided by B register. Actually it is not only the B register, it is BC register pair. Fine. So the content is 2050, means it will be referred to memory location 2050 and will find the data. For an example, if I am writing here like for an example 5, so that 5 will be fetched and will be provided to the accumulator. Fine. Right now I am doing that is again accumulator value goes to D register. Fine. This is very important. INX P. It is incrementing, that is register pair. Incrementing the register pair. Which register pair it is incrementing right now? That it is incrementing register pair BC. Right now the value of BC was 2050. When I am writing INXB, it means it will go to 2051. Fine. Actually it is just incrementing the C register. But when you are treating in a segment or in like a register pair, you would be saying that BC register pair is incremented. And so latest value of B register will be where you would be saying that B register value is or BC register value is 2051H. And means 2051H location will be referred and that content will be provided back to accumulator. For example, again I am writing like 7 over here. Fine. Now I am doing that is add D. It means what? Their addition is going to be done between accumulator and the D register. What is the value of D register? 2050H memory location value. What is the value of A register? It is the content provided by 2051H. Final answer will be stored in accumulator. Fine. Now this is very important. I am again doing that is INXP. It means what? Again it is going to be incremented and the value of BC register pair will be 2052H in terms of hexadecimal. Whenever I writing that is STAXB, it means what? Storing the content of accumulator at the memory location provided by register pair. And that is indirect mode of writing. You are writing initially at ST, you are directly writing the location. Here I am seeing that for the location you need to refer to the register pair. Is it clear? Fine. So STAXB. The most important thing is that here you can write that is instead of LDXB, you can write that is LDAXD as well. At that time D register pair is going to be used. Fine. Here as well you can write that is D register pair can also be used. Is it clear? Let's just assemble the program and get a clear understanding about it. And I just assembled it. Now let I just try to run the program. First line that is LXI 2050H. You can see on the BC you get 20 and 50. What is the content available with? That is 5. Now you can see 5 is available with the accumulator, and now it is going to be provided to the B register. Fine. Now I am again doing that is INX B, means register tag is going to be implemented. It is 2051. Fine. Next again I am doing that is content will be fetched from 2051H will be provided to the accumulator. You can see now the accumulator is having value 7. After the addition of 05 and 07, it will make it 12. And 12 is actually in terms of hexadecimal it is C, that is 0C. Now 0C will be available with the accumulator. Fine. I am doing again INX B. You can see BC is 2051. It is going to be incremented 2052. Now STAX means accumulator content will be stored at memory location provided by BC register path. Fine. So you can see 12 is providable. So I hope it is very clear with the instruction that is LDAX, STAX and LXI. I hope if it is clear, then please do like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Fine. Thank you.